Hey everybody, if you have a Samsung Galaxy, what is it, S24 Ultra, then this could be good for you. This is a case, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So it has, it's cool item. So this is the case, and well, let me take the buzz out of here. So it's got kind of a translucent, kind of a, see-through-ish one there. I'm guessing if you have something right up against it, you'll be able to kind of see it. You can kind of see the words through there, but then when it's far away, it's fuzzy, so it's got a little bit of a fogged effect on it, and it's by QTlier right there, you can see, and that's pretty cool. So, okay, so I'll show you guys the parts here. So this is it, and what's cool about it is it has like this piece here, so you can use that for a handle or as a stand. So when you want to put it on something, I'll just put it on the case, you can just sit it up like that and it'll hold it in place. So, and then you can flop it closed, and it's like super thin. It's like almost the thinness of the case. You can see it really, it doesn't even stick out. And it's super thin. So it's kind of cool that it does that, and it's metal, so it's built into the case, which is great. So it really doesn't take up a lot of space, and it rotates around, so you could stand it up this way if you wanted to, like that, or however you want to stand it up. And then you just flop it closed. It looks like it'll probably magnetize onto some of the MagSafe kind of stuff as well. And then you got your openings for the camera. And then you've got your little charging holes and whatnot, for the buttons and charging holes and stuff, and speaker holes on there as well. And it's good. It's like a little rubbery kind of feel on the sides of it. Nice one. Comes with some stickers. I guess you could put some stickers in there if you want to. Put them in the behind it or on the outside if you really want it to be super colorful. But nice little case. I like it. Thumbs up.